Good morning, children. Today we are going to make the face of a lady, but in a little different way. Now, watch it how you have to do it. The things you need: first, you need a paper. It can be a page from your sketchbook, or it can be just a A4 size paper, whatever you have at home. Fine. Newspaper or magazine, a page from a newspaper or magazine, and take care that it shouldn't be very colorful. Okay, and colors, if you have crayons or oil pastel, maybe pencil colors, whatever colors you have. Okay, you need something kind of glue, glue stick or Fevicol, whatever you have, pair of scissors. Okay, and some sketch pens if you have, otherwise pencil will do. Okay, now first thing I need to do, I will cut kind of oval shape from this newspaper. What I will do, I will fold it in half. This is my newspaper. Okay, and I am folding it in half, double. Okay, and now I am going to draw a oval. Now I have to take care that my oval should fit in this page. This is my page. Okay, now let me draw the oval. Okay, this is the shape I have drawn with a blue sketch pen. Now it is fitting in my page. I have to cut it out. Okay, this is my shape. Now what I have to do, there are some basic principles to make a face. Now take a pencil, and what you have to do, draw a line vertically that goes from the center. I mean, divide this oval in half vertically. Okay, you can use a scale. Okay, this is my vertical line, and now we will do the same horizontally. Okay, it is very light. We need to keep it light, otherwise it will be shown in the final drawing. Okay, now there is one line that is dividing this oval in horizontally, and now this space, again I have drawn a line from the center that is dividing this in two halves. Okay, here it is, and then again this I have drawn another line that is dividing this space in two halves. Here this is. Okay, now understand it very carefully. This is our eye line. It means our eyes will be placed on this line only. Okay, this is our nose line. It means the nose will be from this till this. Okay, nose shouldn't go beyond this line, and this line is for the lips. Our lips will be placed on this line. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to make the nose. Now watch it. Okay, I have drawn the nose, as you can see. Okay, it ends on this nose line, and this line is for the hair. We will cut this portion out. Now this is our shape, and we are going to paste it in the middle of the face. We will keep it on the lower side. Okay, now I am going to paste it. Okay, now I have pasted my piece on the paper, and now we are going to color half of the face. You can see this line. If it is not very visible, I will do it with a sketch pen. Just wait. You can see it now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to color the half of the page, this side, with a dark color, maybe black. I am going to do it with black. Okay, you see how it is going. We will color the whole area black. I am doing it with crayons. You can do it with oil pastels or color pencils, whatever you have at home. Okay. Okay, now we have to make the eyes. That we will draw on a different paper, on a white sheet, eyes and lips. And we have to just make sure that eyes shouldn't be too big. It should be big eyes, but it should fit in this area. And similarly with the lips. Okay, now let us draw the eyes first. Simple. It is called a fish shape. Okay, now here are the eyes. Now we have to paste the eyes on the eye line. As you can see, this is our eye line. Okay, and I am going to paste these on this line. I have taken a black sketch pen and now I am going to draw the eyes properly. Now watch it. Okay. Okay, now it is not touching this line. And just randomly okay, you see I have left these spaces blank, white, intentionally. You have to do just like that. Now we have to make the eyelashes. Now there is one thing that you always do and you must not do, that I am showing you. If this is the eye, these are not the eyelashes. It is wrong. Okay, do it like this. Watch it. Okay, similarly I will do this eye as well. Now these are my eyes. Now I have to do the eyebrows. It's a lady. Okay, these are the eyebrows. Similarly we will draw the eyebrow here. Okay, these are the eyes and the eyebrows. Now we need to draw the lips. Again we will take a white paper and draw the lips on it and cut it out. To draw the lips properly, what you need to do, make a line like this. Okay, that's all. And we have to cut it out. Now we need to paste this lip on this. You see, there was a lip line that I told you earlier. You have to paste the lips on this line. Now here is our lips, and now we have to color it. We will color the upper lips with red and the lower lips with pink. Okay. Okay. Now lips are in place, eyes are there. What is remaining is to draw the hair and a little bit of the neck. This is for neck, and her dress, a floral and lacy one will do, I think. Okay, and for hair, fine. Now what I am going to do, we have to color the hairs, and I am going to color it first with blue like this, with brown like this. See, okay, so it is done with brown. Now I am going to do with black. I'm just going to fill in between the brown, black. Okay, and especially this, where it is touching the face, it should be very dark, and this. Okay, let us do the work with black. So hair is done. Now for this neck part, I am going to use skin color. Now I am going to color the dress with dark blue and light blue. First I am using light blue. Just feel free where you want to use light blue and where you want to use dark blue. You can use any other color of your choice. Okay, it will look nice whatever you paint. Now I am going to use this dark blue. See the shade it is giving. The dress is done, And now if you want to paint the background as well, let us see what colors we can use for the background. I am going to use orange and yellow for the background. Our background shouldn't be very heavy. We will color it very lightly, just zigzag. So now I am going to use the yellow very lightly. It shouldn't be very heavy, otherwise it will spoil this portrait of the lady. So this is the portrait of a lady. I have avoided the ears. Obviously they are under the hairs and are not visible. It is looking nice. Enjoy doing it, and to try some other portraits as well, like try to make a man, try to make some animals with this method as well. Okay, stay in and stay safe. Bye.